To fix Hedra AI and make it work for you, you have to come to your Google Play Store, right? And then you download a VPN, you install a VPN to your phone. So now we're going to be using the Tumbo VPN. Okay, so I've already installed it to my phone. So you can just install it to yours, and then we're going to be changing our location. Okay, so now I'm just going to go to the Tumbo. This is the logo for it, Tumbo VPN, right? So this is it. So once you are here, they'll tell you to tap to connect, but we're going to be going to where that one is cycled up there. Just tap on that, then go to server location. Once you go to server location, it's going to bring a lot of location for you. There are free ones and there are paid ones. Okay, so we are going to be going for the free ones, of course. So I'm going to be going for United States, right? United States. So we're going to be choosing any of the location there. I chose Los Angeles. Okay, so now once we tap on that, it will start connecting. Can you see they say Tumbo is finding the fastest server? It will start connecting, and now it has been connected. So currently our location currently is in United States. Okay, and then you see that icon up there of VPN. So now you come to your Hedra AI, make sure you register, you sign up with your email and all of that with your VPN still on. Then you come to video. What would you like to create? Tap on video. Then you will see character, tap on character, and then that character means like your photos. Choose the photo you want. I've chosen mine. Then go to your audio scripts. Now this audio script, you can either generate speech, record audio, or upload audio. Right now I want to just record my voice so that I can just show you how to go about it. So I'm just going to record my voice. Once I'm done recording my voice, I'm going to stop it, right? So this is how to go about it. Either you record your voice or you upload an audio already. Okay, so this is the voice here. So this is the voice. I'm just going to play it. Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe. So so I was just like, I'm trying to create this video for you all, so I'm just talking a little and all of that. So right now, once it's there, I'm going to write out a prompt, and this prompt is she's talking and gesturing too. So I want her to talk and I want her to move her hands too. After doing that, you tap on your generate button, and then it will start generating for you. Your video will start generating for you. Okay, so you just have to wait a little. All right, now it has been generated. Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Okay, so this is it. This is not just lovely. So, and you can see how moving our hands and all of that. Please subscribe to this channel. Bye.